y'all. Hope you all are having a fabulous day. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. I am super excited. This is one of my favorite subscriptions to unbox. As you can see from the description below, it is the Scentbird. This is the January 2019. And like I said, I love Scentbird. It is absolutely one of my favorites. It, to me, is so affordable. You can choose from so many, hundreds of designer fragrances, and it's $14.95 a month. They say that it's for a 1 month. It's supposed to last 1 month, but it lasts so much longer. And it's only $14.95, and that's not bad considering, like I said, these are hundreds of designer brands that if you were to go and buy the full-size bottle, you would be shelling out $150 or more. So I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up for Scentbird. Like I said, it is $14.95 a month, so not bad. And if you use the link, it will actually get you your second month free. So that's pretty awesome. So I don't remember what's in my queue, so I don't know what this is going to be. That's the thing too, is you can go in and you can go ahead and set in your queue different ones you want to try. And they do describe all of the perfumes, you know, with the notes and things like that, so you kind of know what to expect to a degree. Okay. And it does come with a card every month reminding you of your perfume. So I got this is the Estee Lauder Sensuous Nude. It says 15 separate notes come together in this baby soft skin scent to create a pampered, serene, and sensually devastating portrait of ghostly some roses, honey, ancient sandalwood, and shimmering musks. So there you have that. And then this is what the full-size bottle would look like. So let's see. Y'all know I'm going to Vegas, so I might have a new perfume for Vegas. Sorry, I'm in a goofy mood. You know, I haven't filmed in a while. And it's just, you know what? I was like, you know what? I'm not letting them hold it on me. And I've just all of a sudden gotten this like goofy spirit, and I'm just, yes. So please forgive me. I've been to the salon. I had my hair done, my eyebrows waxed, my nails done, my pedicure, ready for Vegas in a couple of days. So I'm just, yes, ma'am. All right, so here you can see Estee Lauder Sensual Nude. So let's give her a smell. Ooh, that smells so good, and that will be getting packed for Vegas. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, y'all. I'm gonna have to beat my husband off of me with a stick. Woo, that smells so good. Okay. Woo, yes, I love it. Yet again, never be disappointed with Scentbird. Like I said, I love the fact that they describe, I keep getting a whiff of it, y'all. I love that they describe their scents or the perfumes by the notes of the scent, so you kind of know what you're getting and you know what to look for based on what you know you like. So I hope, whew, y'all, I talk with my hands, so I keep getting a scent, and it smells amazing. Oh, okay. So I will leave that link down below. Like I said, if you decide to use the link, it will get you a free month. So basically you'll pay for your first month and your second month is free. So that's pretty good. So $15 for 2 months. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and give me a thumbs up if you did. And like I said, if you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you guys soon. Bye.